विशाल सर मेरे पास भी अपना माइक था, मेरी आवाज भी शायद आप लोगों को आ रही होगी। ये है हमारे हैदर, ये है हमारी ओफिलिया।
So, we've seen the trailer and it's a very intense film. What we're going to show the audience now is the making of Heather, because I think a lot of effort has gone into it. So can we have the making of Heather? And I need the audience. आइए सर, आइए मैम। विशाल सर आइए। सर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा कि why did you select Kashmir as a location for Heather? You could have chosen a royal Rajasthan, you could have chosen any other place, but why Kashmir?
नहीं, मैं I wanted to choose actually Mithi Bhai. It was actually I guess the place the film. I think next film I am going to place in Mithi Bhai.
Sir, after when you were shooting in Kashmir, it's a very volatile place. So, did you get scared at any point? You know, कुछ भी हो सकता है वहाँ पे.
You know, I did all of my whatever part of college that I did. I did right next door in Mithi Bhai. And I think that was quite a volatile place, wasn't it? Did you guys think so? Weren't we very disruptive in nature? सब सो गए हैं यार, सब NM के हैं यहाँ पे। I also heard that NM is leading in points in this contest. Is that true? Super, man. So yes, Kashmir is, to begin with, a huge part of our history. It is something which all of us have heard about so much. And I think the most amazing thing that Vishal sir could have done with his adaptation of Hamlet was to place it against that kind of a backdrop. Essentially, Hamlet is it's a film about betrayal, it's a film about family, and we're calling it a family revenge drama. So to place it against the background like that, I think it was pretty phenomenal. Honestly, मैंने भी Hamlet स्कूल में पढ़ी होगी, उसके कुछ versions देखे हैं. Today it feels very boring, but I think Vishal's take on it, his adaptation of it, is so contemporary, it's so different, and it's so relevant for all of us. And I really want to say this because, you know, I was doing some interviews yesterday, and all the journalists asked me, they said, you know, Shahid, you're doing a film like this, do you think the audience will understand it? And I just said one thing. No, I really want to share this with you guys. I said one thing, I said, I don't know about the audience, but I know the youth is ready for something new. And I'm tired of seeing the same stuff over and over again. So this is our attempt to give you something different, and we really hope that you like it.
Guys, are you guys going to go and watch Heather?
So
we really hope that you like Vishal sir's adaptation of Hamlet, and we really hope that you like watching Heather and me, Arshia, in it.
So let me ask you, Shraddha. We saw you as this very bubbly girl in Eighth Villain, then we saw you as a very intense, this thing, you know, now you're coming in a very intense role. Which role do you prefer? You know, the intense or the very bubbly girl?
Intensely bubbly. I would like to be intensely bubbly.
How can you be intensely bubbly? Show us. We all want to see this.
Okay, so there is a sequence in the film in Heather where I'm dancing for Heather and trying to make him
You want to see a
smile.
dance? I can't hear you guys. You want to see a dance? Who's going to give us music?
पर थोड़ा पागलों वाला डांस है चलेगा ना
What do you want me to do?
पर म्यूजिक के बिना
अभी म्यूजिक है आपके पास में? आप पागलों वाला डांस तो विदाउट म्यूजिक भी हो सकता है.
आओ ना
आओ ना.
आओ ना
But yes, I can't hear you. What are you saying? Back there.
longer version of that in the film. So we hope you like it.
So I'm also going to ask Vishal sir. Sir, ये शेक्सपियर का क्रेज कहाँ से आया? You've done Makul, brilliant, Omkara, brilliant, and all dark films. Where did you get this Shakespeare craze from?
एक्चुअली नो शेक्सपियर से मेरा ताल्लुक बहुत लेट हुआ. Actually, it's not Shakespeare, it's Shakespeare, so it's better. So I think that's all.
Okay, Shahid. Shahid sir. Yes, so we heard in an interview you are really possessive about your hair and you're very careful. Sir, यहाँ पे clean shave, sir. How did you manage that and how did you feel?
It's very simple. I had very long hair in Kamine, and Vishal sir used to be very annoyed because you keep making it between shots. And I think at that point, somewhere 5 years back, in fact it was 5 years to Kamine yesterday, so it's awesome that we're here today. Thank you. I think somewhere then he decided कि अगर मैं इसको फिर से कास्ट करूँगा, तो इसके बाल नहीं होंगे. So when we met for Heather, the first thing he said, वो सब तो ठीक है, character वाइटर बाद में discuss करेंगे, but you have to go bald for this film.
Because this was a revenge drama, so I needed revenge.
But how intense of a character is Heather?
Well, it's the most difficult role that I've done in my career, I would say. And thank you, I love you guys. Thank you. That is loud, man. You don't need a mic. You definitely don't need a mic. No, so it's definitely a very, very intense character. Actually, I went bald for just one day of shooting, and it's something that because this is that kind of film, you know, there are some films that actors do for box office numbers or for, you know, stuff like that, and certain films you do because they are films which you make from your heart. So this is cinema of passion. It required me to take my hair off, and I went for it, man.
One thing's for sure, if so many people go, for 1 week at least I'm not getting a ticket in the theatre, that's for sure. So we have a few people out here who want to come up and ask you a question. So let's have you, and you. Come on. Yes.
How was your whole experience working with Vishal sir?
works with all kinds of directors. But I feel he's somebody who's... Actually, we spoke when he wrote the script of Heather. Vishal sir called me and said, "यार तुम बड़े lucky हो यार. मैं जब भी कोई फिल्म में तुमको कास्ट करता हूँ, तुम्हारा रोल बड़ा अच्छा लिख दिया जाता है." So I just, he's really lucky for me. You know, he's really lucky for me. I've never received this kind of a response for myself. It happened with Kamine, with how people reacted to the look and the vibe, and it's happened again after 5 years. And nothing happened in the middle 4 years, which was so exciting. So, you know, a lot of my career is thanks to him. And I feel very fortunate. You know, it's a weird feeling because on one hand you feel very insecure about the role that he's given you because it's always way beyond your capacity. But at the same time you feel very secure because he's directing the film, so you feel like he will take care of you. So yeah, but a lot of my career is thanks to Vishal sir, and I must say that.
I really love you guys. Really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay, we have a question for Shraddha also, with the loudest voice in the audience.
Hi.
It is task of right. I'm sure all the guys are jealous. Firstly, how do you manage to look so beautiful? How do you manage to look so beautiful? And the voice.
How do you what? What is your question? Why am I so beautiful? Why is she so beautiful? Why is he so beautiful? Why are you so beautiful? You need to find a voice, otherwise I'll keep confusing you.
Okay, so basically what he had to ask you and he forgot once he saw Shraddha was that how is Shahid as a co-star to work with?
That's your own question, man. That has nothing to do with his
Your
question.
question. Don't cheat. Cheating.
Was this your question? Are you sure?
His legs are shivering.
So, go ahead and praise me, Shraddha.
I should. But definitely to answer your question, for me to get an opportunity to work with Vishal sir and for him to give me such a role, the adaptation of Ophelia, Arshia in Heather, and definitely to work with Shahid here as well, and the whole cast of the film. So just the opportunity has been so amazing, and he is amazing to work with, and he's a lot of fun. And I've seen his mad side also. So it's a combination of to be able to learn from him also and have fun with him also. So it's a good deadly combo.
Lovely, we have another question.
Hi, what's your name? Hi, nice to meet you.
What was the special thing in Hyder that
You
you
want
chose?
to answer questions so the cameras can also see? Yeah.
What was so
First
special?
wave to the camera, say hi to mom and dad. Say hi mom,
Hi mom.
say hi dad,
Hi dad.
say I love you.
I love you.
And now I'm famous.
I'm really famous.
Alright.
And I love Shahid Kapoor too. What was that special thing in your role in Hyder that made you actually choose it?
Obviously, in fact, I had been chasing Vishal sir for almost 3 years, saying that, you know, he needs to cast me in a film. Because he's surrounded by too many phenomenal actors. To begin with my father, Irfan Khan, Tabu, KK, and Om Puri, Nasiruddin Shah. The list is endless. So I was very insecure that he'll keep working without me. So I used to keep going and meeting him. And then he finally told me that there was this one role which he thought may be right for me, and that was he wanted to make his third adaptation of Shakespeare, which was Hamlet. And that's how that started. And I told him, sir, regardless of anything, I'm on. And that's when he started writing the film, and everything happened after that.
Well, I think it's going to be a brilliant movie. We've been seeing the trailers, we've been seeing the posters, and it looks amazing. I want to hear make some noise for Shahid sir, one last. Shahid sir. Shahid sir, one question. Okay, I'm going to ask Shraddha also. You've had an array of actors, as Shahid mentioned, you know, KK, Irfan Khan, Tabu, brilliant actors. So, who was I mean, give us an instance of, these actors, because how was the experience working with them personally?
So, me being a newcomer and get that opportunity ki around me there are such phenomenal actors. Every day I be pinching myself ऐसे कि Shraddha realize कि तुम्हें ऐसी opportunity मिली है. तुम इतने बढ़िया actors के साथ काम कर रहे हो. So it's been an opportunity of a lifetime for me, and I'll always cherish it. Yeah.
So if I ask you, give us one instance about Haider that makes Haider memorable for everybody.